Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to show you how you can split a single cell into individual characters. For example, if my cell contains contents A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, my goal is to split this into individual characters like A, B, C, and so on. So that is my final objective. So let us start with a simplistic approach by using a mid function. I'm going to type is equal to mid function here. Now let me use ABC123 as my text value, use starting position as 1 and the number of character as 1. So with this expression, we will get the first character. Likewise, I can use the mid function to extract the second character starting with second and number of characters is 1 and so on. However, this is going to be a very cumbersome process. Instead, let us try to tweak the expression in such a way that just one expression we will be able to achieve the end result. So let me first introduce you to a different function called sequence function. The sequence function basically returns sequence of integers based on the parameters we provide to the sequence function. For example, if I want 6 rows and 1 column, I just type 6 for the rows parameter, 1 for the columns parameter. The start number will be 1 and the step will be 1. So with this expression, I'm going to generate a sequence of number from 1 to 6 in one column. Now I can use the output of this sequence function in the mid function to attain the end results with minimal effort. Now I'm going to tweak the same mid function and then see what happens. So type mid is equal to, now the text is going to be our A6 cell. The starting number will be coming from the sequence expression. Instead of hard coding the value here for the start num parameter, let us use sequence function. We want the number of rows as 6 here because the length of the text is 6, and then number of columns we need is just 1. I want the number to start from 1 and the step is also going to be 1. So this will auto generate the sequences for us, and that is going to be used in the mid function as the second parameter. Now the number of characters I want to extract is just 1. Close the bracket and press enter. Now this expression has split the content of the cells into multiple rows. Now let me make a small tweak to this expression. Instead of hard coding the value 6 in the sequence function, I'm going to get this value from the length function. So type length and then select the text, close the bracket. So this gives me the length of the text. This is more dynamic and flexible. As you can see, with the combination of mid and sequence function, we are able to split the contents of the cell into multiple rows. Now we don't need, let me delete this. Now we can simply change the value of the text and the expression will automatically adjust and split the contents accordingly. There is another method which you can achieve the same result. However, that will simply use a row function, not a sequence function. So let me enter the expression here. So it uses a row function instead of sequence function. However, the end result is the same. I need to specify the number of rows here using the row function, and other parameters to the mid functions remain as it is. Now let me apply this function, and as you can see, the end result is the same. This is not a dynamic function because we are not auto calculating the length. If the text changes, we need to come here and change the row value, and after that you get the same result. Hope you liked this video and found it useful for some of your use cases. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.